Carly. Carly. Shh, quiet, Sandy. Carly. This time Sandy got it. Peanut. Carly. This time. Carly, sit. Lucy, hush. Sit, Carly. Carly, sit. Okay, girl. Get. Carly, the ball's right behind you. Daisy got it. Daisy May. Daisy dropped it. Daisy, you tell her, Daisy May. You tell her, Daisy. Daisy's growling at you, Carly. Daisy tells Carly off all the time. Okay, come on. Daisy caught it again. Carly had it in her mouth earlier and she was running all around. Daisy, what happened? What happened, Daisy May? Peanut, 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 what are you doing? Lucy. Carly. 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 Nobody got the ball. Daisy just told Carly off. Daisy May, good girl.